kind of frustrating because this has to come off the whole way, and whenever you do that, like, it's really heavy because this is already heavy, but then if you got like your sandwich stuff in there, then it's even heavier. I got a spare cheese back there and it's keeping it from hitting the back, which is fine, and this has little like lips on it, so there's that. When I put the yogurts in here and cheese is in here, and that way I have my fruits and vegetables in the regular thing. And then also there's some extra spare ones, so I got 5 of these small ones and another big one. I forgot to do a full unboxing video, but I already started. It was packaged really well. No broken pieces. Can't wait to use it. I'll have to add a few pictures after I get them washed up and get everything organized. No broken lids. Everything was perfect.
Not dishwasher safe. Do not recommend buying. Look at what happened. I was able to later check that it wasn't dishwasher safe, but unfortunately, I don't think a product like this is useful for or practical. It needs to be dishwasher safe, and you know, I now can't get a return because I'm outside the return window. So I'm gonna have to trash these, but I did want to alert people.